What's up, guys? Good evening. This is Captain A330 coming to you from the airport lounge. Now, tonight, you're staring at Northwest Airlines AIRBUS A330-200 in the scale 1/200 by skymarks. Now, Northwest Airlines was established around in the 1930s. First, originally as Northwest Orient, and later becoming Northwest Airlines. Their primary hub was Minneapolis-St. Paul, and their secondary hub was Detroit Metropolitan. They had numerous destinations throughout the world, and by 2010, Northwest Airlines was no more and was later acquired by Delta Airlines. Now, I'm going to give you a tour of the aircraft. First, starting off with the stack ports, PO tubes, the cockpit windshield, and windshield wipers. The status of this aircraft is currently flying for Delta Airlines now. There you see the L1 door, the Northwest tiles, the two Rolls-Royce turbofan engines come on the wings up towards the front of the aircraft. Nice shot of the A330. There you see the registration right there. Now over to the APU, the auxiliary power unit, the tailplanes of the A330. Now over to the port and starboard side. Northwest Airlines livery on the tail, going up towards the front of the aircraft. I gotta be careful. There you see one of the tailplanes. Come along the leading edges of the A330. Come up towards first class. The first galley next to the, across from the L1 door. And the cockpit. And that's it. Northwest Airlines had a total of 251 destinations, domestically and international, before it was all said and done in 2010. Now today, Northwest Airlines is no more. Now belonging to Delta Airlines. Give you one last look at the A330. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I would like to say thank you very much for watching this video. This video will shortly be posted to YouTube. And like always, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, from the airport lounge, this is Captain A330, signing off for now.